Hi lovelies, and welcome back to Mum Essy Recipes. And today I'm making apple puree for my 6 months old baby boy, and you are going to check out how we got to this you are seeing on the screen. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to be bringing in my chopping board, nicely washed, then the 2 apples nicely washed as you can see in the video, and then I'm going to peel off gradually to get off the peels of the apples so that when we cook we are going to have something very soft and tender. So this is what it is. You can see me doing that process, and I hope you know that apple is rich in many vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin K, that is to mention but few. People, let me also let you know that it is high in fiber, which means it will help your baby not to be constipated. Did you understand? So here I am cutting it into bit by bit, and after this process I will be putting it into the pot. Make sure you clean everything thoroughly for hygiene reason and for the health of your baby. Make sure your hands are thoroughly washed before you touch anything to make sure that everything the baby is taking in is cleaned and very healthy and very nutritious for the baby. So people, after cutting into these cubes, please put it into a nicely cleaned pot, and then you cook on medium high heat for 7 minutes. That was what I use in cooking. It depends on the texture of this apple before you started using it. Okay, so make sure you cook for 7 minutes. That is my mark time, and then make sure the water covers the apple in the pot as you will see in this video. So at this point, make sure you like this video, share to your friends and families, and in case you're new, this is the time to hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload new and great recipes just like this. As you can see, this apple is ready, and I checked for tenderness, and this is just what we are looking for. It is soft enough, so we are not blending. I'm going to be using my mashing utensils to bring this down. As you can see, just check out the process, and then you will see the end result towards the end. Keep watching.
Join the fun, it's a family affair. Mum Essy's kitchen, we cooking like we care. Mum Essy's kitchen, come gather around. We're flavor.
Of course, you can see our apple puree is ready, and I just poured that into the bowl, and you can see how this is looking. Is this not looking like what your baby would love to eat? Is it not even making you to feel like you're eating it? Thanks for watching up to this time, and remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.